A basketball hoop consists of a metal rim attached to a backboard, positioned 10 feet above the ground. It serves as the target for players to shoot the basketball through. Scoring points in the game. Choosing the perfect basketball hoop can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Now, let's dive into the top basketball hoops that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Silverback in-ground basketball hoops. One of the most popular mid-tier in-ground basketball hoops is the Silverback SB hoop model. With over 300 reviews on Amazon, few hoops have a more established history than the Silverback SB. I've found that most in-ground hoops come in two categories, either cheaper value hoops or top-tier height-quality systems meant for the most serious players. Thankfully, Silverback has plugged this hole in the market with their SB line of hoops. Backboard. The SB comes with either a 54 or 60 tempered glass backboard. The thickness of these boards is 5/16. The performance you'll get from this board is lower than that of a Gorilla Theft, but worlds better than any polycarbonate or acrylic board. Other features. However, the other components of this hoop, including the backboard, rim, and padding, all perform close to those higher-priced systems. Personally, I really appreciate the significant backboard padding that comes with this hoop. This helps protect players when they are driving to the hole. Product 2. Lifetime adjustable basketball hoop. 54x33x 1-inch square shatter guard backboard gives you the look and feel of the professional game, backed by a 5-year limited manufacturer warranty. Pole size, 4 adjustment range, 7.54 to 10-4 backboard size, 54 net weight, 70 g. 54-inch Pro Look backboard made of sturdy Macrolon polycarbonate for shatterproof action. Durable in-ground basketball goal designed for rugged, high-intensity play. Slam It Pro rim with double compression springs for dunking. All-weather nylon net. Blow molded backboard frame pad for protection. Power lift height adjustment mechanism. Easily adjusts from 7.5 to 10 feet using one hand, backed by a 5-year limited manufacturer warranty. Product 3. Silverback NXT Portable Adjustable Basketball Hoop. For many years, Silverback has been known as the best mid-tier in-ground basketball hoop manufacturer. They've now expanded into the portable basketball hoop market with the NXT. Due to some really unique features that also save space, this is one of the best hoops for tight or small playing areas. Backboard. Let's start with the Infinity Edge backboard. This board has been actually molded so that the edges are bent back. This creates a unique appearance as the Silverback NXT does not feature an aluminum trim around the backboard. You'll also notice that because of this backboard design, the support braces connect to the 4 corners of the backboard. Most often these braces are situated in the middle part of the backboard in an H-frame design. The problem with some H-frames is that they support the backboard in a way that is very supportive in the center of the board, but leaves the right and left sides of the backboard unsupported. This creates dead space on either side of the backboard. Product 4. Shatterproof backboard and larger base basketball hoop. About this item. Exclusive molded larger base. Our basketball goal system features a solid Larger base 44LX28W, while others 36X24W in order to provide greater load bearing and withstand strong winds. It can be filled with water or sand to ensure excellent stability and safety for every shot. Fun for kids, adults. The adjustable height feature makes our basketball hoop outdoors suitable for different age groups. It provides entertainment for kids after school and distraction from technology for more exercise, and for adults to relax after work. This basketball hoop is perfect for fostering relationships among family and friends. Adjustable height 4.43 feet-10 feet. The lift system of the adjustable basketball hoop has 11 levels of height adjustment and provides flexibility in usage. You can install it indoors or outdoors, like in the driveway, backyard, front yard, park, playground, garage, gym, etc. Available height range 7.55 feet to 10 feet with 3 poles installed. 4.43 feet to 6.4 feet with 2 poles installed. Product 5. Lifetime 71281 in-ground power lift basketball hoop. The Lifetime 71281 in-ground basketball system is perfect for families who want a decent hoop to play on at a great price. Certainly not up to par with the more expensive units, this hoop is best for those that simply want something for shooting sessions. But at $300, this is still a great hoop for the money. Backboard. And this hoop comes with a 52 backboard that is made from a polycarbonate material. Having this lightweight backboard material makes assembly easier compared to more expensive units. 2 adults should be able to assemble and install this hoop without major issues. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.